Guys, I'm here. A Works is right here working on the bike today. Since yesterday it rained, I figured I have the wrong tires on this bike versus the one with the fenders. So we're gonna do a quick switch. Anyhow, Alan of A-Works will be working on the two bikes here, and I asked them to also check my other bikes. The bikes that hasn't been used in a while. So he's just gonna go check. Anong i-check mo? Yung mga bearings, lubricants, and whatever to make sure the bikes last long. So we're gonna be go checking that out. Really nice. A real treat to have him here do a home service for me. So yeah, it's gonna be changing the tires on this thing because it's not good. It's fired. Checking this bike also, this mountain bike. It did suffer a fall, but it worked really good this morning, so we need to check. Checking the suspension here. Alan, which country are you in ba? Oh, Dubai. So you do a lot of how was you're in a bike shop in Dubai? So apparently there's a lot of bike shops in Dubai. So Alan is in one of the bike shops in Dubai. So there's a lot of bikers also in for a very hot country. There's a lot of bikers there also. Really nice. I bet they have very expensive bikes as well. Tama? Yeah. Well, Dubai, their police cars are Lamborghinis. Oh. So most of the bikes goes to Dubai first, and then after Dubai, they go to the other countries. So the Schwalbe Evolution ones is actually a little larger, so perfect fitting for the fenders. Really nice, nice fit, nice fatter tires. And I'm changing this because of the treads there, so very good. Nice fat tires. Oh my gosh! So I got the bike, and this was loose. OMG, it's a good thing Alan is here. So I have the two 360 bikes here, but actually out of the box, the alignment of the fenders was kind of towards on the left, both bikes. So that was one of the things that that was bothering me. When I got the little bag in the front, I noticed the handlebars was not aligned, and I thought the bag was the one that's off center, but in actuality it was the fork. So Alan will be adjusting it. This one is my first road bike, and I put the folding bike pedals here because I used it. Nice bigger tires for the fender ones, and the fast cone jacks on the other one. Now changing the tires on this road bike so I can use it. This is what happens when you don't use your bike. It starts drying up. Oh my gosh. Anyway, the bikes, the bearings have all been overhauled. Really nice. So yeah, some of the bearings was all nice and dry, so very good. So other than that, he needs to come back and change all of the cables because they are rusting inside. So yeah, proper maintenance. This bike doing really nice. So I switched the code jacks to the fenderless one. So this is the racer version. So yeah, so code jacks on this bike now, and on the Fender one we got the Schwalbe Evolution ones, the bigger, fatter tires, and it does have the treads. That's why very good to have the tires on this bike. Look at that. All these bikes are all nice, all lubricated, nice and pretty. Thank you, A-Works. So apparently I have accumulated a number of bikes. So one of the things that needs to happen is, yeah, you have to do the proper maintenance on it, and thankfully we got good home service from A-Works. So thank you, Alan, for taking care of my bikes, and tomorrow's another day, another ride. Alright, till next time.